So we're here, a little Bobcat with an issue, and Chris gonna catch up to speed.
All right, what we have here is the bearings are out in one of the front axle planetaries. It's four-wheel drive, and the seal is leaking on the other one. So what we're gonna do is pull the front tires off, pull the final drive planetary gears out, and see what kind of problem we've got.
Good deal. So here we go. So having a look at the Bobcat, and I can see a problem. See if we can get you in there. How about right there? Maybe you can see it. That bearing is totally separated in there though. Yep. So a little bit about findings. For one, as you can see, this hub cover's cracked right there, but we're not for sure what led to that, since it appears like both of them are now cracked. Maybe they dropped this dude off a trailer hard, not for sure. This wheel had leaked fluid, but the O-ring appears to be intact. I'm not seeing any obvious signs of the leak, unless maybe it came out right there. Looks like all the gearing and everything's fine though. So, hub covers and another bearing. We'll see. All right, everybody, a quick what's what. I've already taken this apart, but this is your shaft. Then your cover slides down over it, okay? Then there's a bearing that slides down. Then the gear slides over. And then another bearing slides on. And for the most part, you should be able to remove these and put them back on without much pressure. I mean, I for the most part use two small pry bars. If that doesn't work, get out a 2-jaw puller and just give it a light little pull. I mean, they really shouldn't be hard, okay? And then, by the way, you do have this 2-piece ring in between the gear and the final bearing. So, just for your knowledge. Now, let's go out here. If you'll remember, one of them, the bearing failed. And so when that happened, it did cause a small bit of carnage. Watch out for the light, everybody, I'm sorry. A small bit of carnage, so let me show you what's what. The race for the old bearing, I really didn't have to do much, y'all. I just clamped the vise down on the race itself, and then took the Tanya Hardin, what, 2000, the little one, baby girl here, and gave it the old 1-2, and off it came. Now, with that said, if you'll notice, the surface is a little touchy, okay, from where the old bearing was. So I'm going to dress that a little bit, okay? And you'll also notice, let's see if I can get the camera in here, there's a little bit of metal in this one trailing groove here. This isn't the sealing surface. Yeah, I see that. There's another little bit on the inside. I'm gonna try to use a carbide bit on the old rear and dress that out real easy. It should go without too much fuss, and I'm hoping Emery will be tough enough to dress this. If not, we'll cover that when we get to it. But I really need to get that little pokey spot on the inside edge there, get that cleaned up, and then this should technically work. We'll see. Should. So, all right, here we go. Alright folks, we are back on our little Bobcat. So we finally got everything ready to put it all back together. So Chris and I are going to do just that. Sorry for the truck noise. We had to charge the battery, and well, that's the way we're going to have to do it. So with that said, we're going to get this thing cranked, raised back up, and get our wheel hubs back together. So here we go. all back together. Chris will give a little drive around just to give it a good check out, you know. Oh yeah. I don't see any oil leaking anywhere. Well, as you watch Chris drive off into the sunset, enjoying his tractor ride, we're gonna sign off. Thanks for watching, everybody. Click the like, subscribe. Don't forget to share it, tell your friends about it and everything. We sure appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hey, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe and hit the like button.
And don't forget to share and hit that notification bell.